let's do a full face of makeup that I typically wouldn't reach for. I do want to preface this video with saying that none of these products are bad, just colors and finishes that I typically wouldn't reach for. First, we have the Charlotte Tilbury Sheer Glow Tint. This is definitely not a bad product. It's actually a great one. It just does not suit my oily skin type. I feel like this looks amazing on other people, but for me, it just does not suit my skin whatsoever. This is the CoverGirl Hydro Fresh Skin Tint. I've actually never tried this, but just the look of it alone, I typically wouldn't grab it. Who knows? We're gonna try it, and I might be eating my words. This is actually really nice. Definitely like a watery consistency. It's actually stunning, but I'm gonna wear this today and see how it sits with my skin because it's really glowy, but it's really nice. Next, we have the Essence Duo Contour Stick. I also have not tried this one, but I typically just don't reach duo ended contours, but not that they're necessarily bad. I just don't ever reach for them. This is actually really creamy. Essence really has some bomb products. I'm actually obsessed with this. Do you see how easy that is blending? Okay, I'm not kidding when I say that this actually might be one of the best contour sticks I've tried in a long time. Patrick Ta blush duos are some of the best blushes on the market, but I typically wouldn't reach for a purple blush. Quinn already got into this one for us. This shade Thank Me Later. I'm actually really curious to see how this actually looks on the skin versus in the pan. Ooh, okay, on the skin, actually really neutral. The finish is like a soft baby pink. I do like that this is cool tone. Okay, I love this one too. I used to be obsessed with this concealer. This is the Maybelline Eraser. It's just been so long since I've used it, and so many other concealers have come out that I've been using. But like I said, it actually is an incredible concealer. I used to love the sponge applicator, but I feel like after a while it just gets kind of gross. This Huda Beauty Matcha Cake powder has literally taken over my feed. I'm so excited to try this. I usually would never reach for a green powder though. It smells really good. I'm gonna like tap and set the under eyes first like I normally do, and I'm gonna use it to bake. That sets, I'm gonna use the NYX Crazy Lift Brow Gel. I actually have not tried this. Nothing against brow gels right now, I'm just not super obsessed with them at the moment. And a lot of the makeup looks that I've been doing, I haven't been wearing brow gel. So I'm just gonna tame them a little bit. All right, I'm gonna wipe off the bake. I'm kind of scared that my under eyes are gonna look green. Do they? I feel like there's like just a hint of green. We're gonna keep the green theme going, and we're gonna do green eyeshadow. These Hung Van Gogh palettes are actually incredible. I just typically would never wear green eyeshadow, so we're gonna try it. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the green base, but I'm thinking I want to do a little bit of a cut crease. Okay, I'm taking the more vibrant shade and packing that on now. Everything I'm doing to the top, I'm also doing to the lower lash line. Now I'm just gonna take this shade and I'm just gonna pack this on and try to create like a bit of a cut crease look since this is a light shade. Definitely want to do a green eyeliner to match. This is the Essence Emerald Dragon. Okay, it's actually kind of cute. I'm gonna go back into that Patrick Ta blush. Oh, that's pigmented, I forgot. This color combo, okay. Do I look insane? The blush itself is really cute, but with the green eye, like this lip is really gonna clash with this eyeshadow because normally I would do a nude lip, but I typically stay away from like reddish plummy lip liners and lip stains. This is from Summer Fridays. This is Plum. I'm actually obsessed with the Summer Fridays lip stains. It's literally nothing against that. It's just this shade. It's not something I would normally wear. Not the red lip with the green eye. Okay, it's fine. This Too Faced gloss. I can't take myself seriously right now. Okay, this Too Faced gloss in Birthday Kiss is so cute, but I typically wouldn't reach for like a super sparkly purple gloss. Oh my gosh. I feel like I look like a toddler that like got into somebody's makeup bag. Okay, the gloss is like actually cute once you like actually apply it to the lips. Okay, lastly, I'm gonna use the One Size Brown Sugar Setting Spray. I actually would wear this on vacation though, but I've never tried this, so I want to see what it's gonna look like with this glam. That was way more powerful than I thought. All right, you guys, here is the final look. I want to know what you guys think of this glam and which product you guys typically wouldn't reach for that I need to try.